We are pleased to show you the 2026 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, power lift gate, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, navigation system, LED headlights. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.